Hi, I'm Keith from Functionalize. Today we're going to walk through printing and assembling your LetterKit flashlight using F-Electric highly conductive PLA filament. Before you proceed, make sure you've downloaded one of the 3 files from the LetterKit flashlight instructions on Functionalize.com. This video will cover the easiest set of files, which have the entire flashlight in one STL and requires changing the filament to F-Electric partway through. If you're using the more advanced files, for a dual extruder printer for example, you should be able to adapt these instructions for those needs. If you haven't prepared for printing, you should pause now and download the file flashlightkit as 1stl.zip. In your software, slice it for printing at a 0.2 millimeter layer height, and for printer settings, we recommend printing temperature 220 degrees Celsius, bed temperature of 60 degrees Celsius, and a print speed that's about 20% slower than your usual draft speed. Your flashlight will print with 2 types of filament, a normal PLA insulator and F-Electric conductive material. Start your print using the normal colored PLA and be prepared to pause after 1.2 millimeters have printed. Your method of pausing to change filament can vary depending on your slicer and your printer. Printers such as MakerBot, Dremel, or AIO Robotics Zeus have a physical or software button to manually pause, so you can simply wait until the walls start printing, press pause, and then change the filament. Now don't worry if you don't change it exactly the right place, since any short time after the wall begins printing should be fine. If your slicer app allows you to change filament at a certain point in the print, you can create a sliced model with the pause built in. After the top and bottom of your flashlight are printed, carefully remove them from the printer. Bend the longer LED lead wire in an accordion-like way so it fits under the battery. Snap the LED into place with the shorter lead tucked into the channel on the left and bent around the corner where the top will snap into place. Now, snap the battery, positive side down, into the 3-pronged holder over the LED wire. If the bottom was properly printed, the battery will be held in place by the 3 prongs. Finally, starting with the corner of the flashlight with the snap clip, close the top of the flashlight over the bottom, catching the shorter LED wire in the snap clip. Be sure to close all of the top walls over the bottom sides. At this point, you may still have a gap under the snap clip. The last step is to make sure the LED is tightly in place. Using the edge of your thumb, press down on the clear part of the LED so it snaps over the plastic edge of the hole. Once that's done, your flashlight is complete. Congratulations!